$1 check, helicopter pad, dropping off a body bag. Money talk, guess I got the gift of gab. Don't interject, don't intercept. You ain't on a jet, you ain't meet a bitch with this kind of.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Money, aka Fancy, aka My Way, and a kind. Y'all know this video finna be back because I saw that thumbnail different that title. So today's video, I'll be doing a stream room cleanup video, basically. So I haven't cleaned my room in a week, and I did this stuff home. It's probably been more than a week, probably like a week and a half. And I literally did not pick up nothing, no clothes that I wore, no anything, just because I wanted my room to be extremely junky. Just for this video, I've never ever in my life let my room get this dirty, but just because I wanted to put content on my channel, I decided that I wanted to basically see how my room would look in a week. And basically I want to show you how that room look. It is a catastrophe. We're just gonna ignore some of the stuff, okay, period, because like I said, I was literally throwing my clothes on the floor, everything. I got two clean clothes and two hampers of clean clothes because I did not do my laundry because I wanted to see, like, you know, what would happen. So let me just show y'all how my room looks now. Okay, y'all, so this is how my floor looks. And as y'all see, it's bags, pillows, all that stuff on the floor. Then when you look this way, you have a outfit. On my desk, you have my makeup, not my makeup, my hair stuff, and, you know, random type of nail stuff. Right here, you just have random stuff, my school computers, and more like random stuff. This side, you have like drawers all open, more clothes on the floor, baskets, shoe boxes in the baskets. Like, what's going on? The only thing that's pretty much organized is my lotion bottles, and I really keep that organized no matter what, just because I don't know, that's just how I am. Everything basically looks perfect right here, but as soon as like you look down, turn around, you get all this like clothes, and then you get whatever that stuff is, my keys and all that, and then my bed, which has clothes on it, and then food. I was literally just eating that, so that's technically hasn't been here for a week. I literally just got that. So yeah, but you know, we're gonna do some little deep cleaning. This video is gonna be time-lapse just because I don't want to be like talking too much. It's basically gonna be like a satisfying video. We're gonna start on my desk. I'm gonna get everything off my desk, and then we're going to go onto the floor and stuff like that. So let's get straight into the video. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. One trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is have bitches on replay. One next to you. You do. Try not to show. I'll get up with you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Right up to the side of my mountain.
We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. So let's get all of y'all, yeah, I need all of y'all. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party on, yeah, I need all of y'all.
So I just put new sheets on my bed, and I know they might not look new. Trust they are. They got like a lot of wrinkles because they was folded up in that bag. But I just want to say these are new sheets, y'all, because I didn't record me putting them on. Just because y'all know how that process be popping off on the left, popping off on the right. I got time for that. Yeah, this is the next day because I had to wait for this stuff to wash. So, well, the cover to wash. So I want to just make my bed up and continue on with the video.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for your flow, flow, flow. Hold me tight.
basically how my room is going to look from now on. My room never gets that dirty. Half of it was staged and half of it was just me not cleaning it for a week and a half straight, like I said in the beginning of the video. Everybody, you know, has different ways to cleaning their room. So if you feel like I didn't clean my room the right way, like I didn't do this, I didn't do that, keep it to yourself, because my room is as clean as I like it to be, or it's clean enough that it's gonna get to me. I know some people like wash their walls and do all that stuff when they clean their room, but I don't need to, because the paint I have on my wall doesn't like necessarily like get dirty where you can see like fingerprints and stuff like that. If it's a stain on my wall, then I will wipe it off, but I didn't feel like I needed to include all that in this video. I did wipe down my dresser, and I did wipe down my desk and my dresser with the Clementine. I don't even know what the name of them are, but I did wipe all my stuff down. I did wash, I did sweep, I vacuumed, did stuff like that. Like I said, this is about a day later, since really like kind of like 2 or a day and like some hours, like 8 hours or whatever, because I had to go to school. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to show y'all how my room looks. Like I said, my room never gets this dirty. Half of it was staged and half of it was just me putting stuff on the floor throughout the, you know, days of me thinking about doing this video. So I'm about to show y'all how my room ended up looking. Get, you know, you feel me? If I really wanted to like deep clean my room, then I would have, you know, did that, but I didn't want to deep clean. I just wanted to clean enough where it's presentable, you feel me? Like, as y'all can see, it looks nice or whatever. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you follow me, make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I'm trying to step outside my box and do more like vlogs or like random type of videos, so I won't just be stuck on hair videos, because as y'all saw, I haven't been posting that many hair videos because I'm trying to think about what I want my platform to be like from now on. But thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Love boy hit like blue. Love boy did my bitch. Got me mad shit. So I slapped the bitch. I ain't even having a coup. Yeah, the bitch gon' start.